Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it, as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that so that you will never miss my any single video. So in this video I am going to create a look which is perfect for summer season. Yes, this look is very brighten up look. It is full of colors which is not so harsh in this summer season. You can also carry this look if you want to attend any pool party, and it has a perfect things if you want to carry in summer brunches, or you can say a kitty party. So let's begin this video. So I'm starting my makeup with this Color Bar primer, and it is one of my favorite primer, and I've used this primer in my several videos. It has a perfect siliconic texture on which my makeup dries very smoothly. Moving on to the next, and this is the foundation which is from Maybelline Fit Me, and it is in the shade 332, and with the help of this brush which is PAK 265 brush, I'm just blending it all over my face and neck. It has a perfect yellow undertone which will just instantly brighten up my face, and I really love this Maybelline Fit Me range. It almost fits every skin tone. For my concealer, I'm using here Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, and it has a really nice applicator. I'm just highlighting the center of my face, and I'm blending here with the help of a damp beauty blender, and it will make sure that my face will not look cakey. So if you're using any creamy product, make sure that your beauty blender is really damp. So now here you can see that my center of the face is looking highlighted. And now to set my foundation, I'm using here the L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact, and I really like this compact. It is very good for oily skin. And next one is this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. I'm just baking my face, or you can say I'm setting my concealer with the help of this beauty blender which is damp. And with the help of this Faces brush and the dark brown color from this Makeup Revolution I Had Chocolate palette. I have used this palette in my several videos, and I'm truly a fan of this palette. You can use this palette to contour your cheeks, for your eyebrows, for eyeshadow definitely. And with the help of this comb which is opposite to that, I'm just making sure that there is no harsh line. Now dusting off all those powder from my face. My face is looking really matte right now. Now taking this pink color from PAK Mono Eyeshadow, I'm just going through my crease with the help of a very fine brush. And here I'm just using all those bright color to make my face instantly look brighten up. I am a girl who loves color, so I'm putting colors over my eyelids. For the outer V, I'm using here this same very palette and taking the lighter brown color in my outer V, and then slowly building up the color. Now again taking the PAK Mono Eyeshadow in the shade green, I'm just patting it over my eyelids and in the inner region. With the help of the blending brush, I'm just blending it to the maximum so that there will not be a striking line. And for highlighting my brow bone and inner corner, I'm using the same very palette, and it has got the highlighting color as well, the contour color as well, and from my side it's a big yes to this palette. I was wanting to create a door shape eye, but it's a complete optional. For my eyeliner, I'm using here my new love which is Sugar I Told You So, and creating a small wing liner. I basically love the door shaped eye because it looks so alluring and so flattering. See how alluring it is looking right now. And I have applied the false lashes which is PAK 53 eyelashes off camera. Yes, as I said, that this has got the contour color as well, so I'm using a cool tone brown to contour my cheeks. For my love part, which is the lipstick, I'm using here Sugar Wine and Shine lipstick. It is the most prettiest color in the Sugar collection, Sugar Smudge Me Not collection I have. And now this is how my final look turned on. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.